Hi everyone, this is lovely4u. So today we're gonna show you the products that we received from Arteza for sales commission. We would really like to be transparent and also share with you about the products review. There are 4 in total, including the cutting board, so we'll go over one by one first. And then work on some projects to test. Let's start with this 24 acrylic color set. We're also thinking to use these products in our future projects too, if they turn out really good and effective. At least honestly, the package of Arteza products really gives us a very good impression firstly. The acrylic paint set is the first thing that we chose to review first since it's absolutely utilized the most. You can see this box comes in 24 solid colors. Each color has been assigned to a specific number, which is easier for you to look up. We really like this neat idea, which is super convenient because you won't need to worry about how to find the exact color you need. Now we open it, you can see the colors are actually exactly in the same order that presented on top of the box. So let's take them out of the box and take a rough look at it. We'll squish each of them into the color palette box later for convenience. We're not done with the acrylic paints yet. We'll do this later, and let's move on to next. We want to try this for the 8 color pencils in our future shrink plastics projects. Let's open it first. Wow, this is different. It's connected here. We cannot like this idea because sometimes it's easy to lose the cover, you know. And here, the grip. Oh, this is so nice designed. Did you see how easy we can take it out? We do think we really like it. Just a little test here so we can at least have a rough idea. And we're gonna use this in our future projects too. And here is the Arteza 15 Premium Detail Brushes set. It has 5 round brushes, 5 liner brushes, and 5 spot brushes. This set will be widely used no matter you want to paint figures' faces or you want to paint small details for your paintings. The last product we received from Arteza is the cutting board. We're gonna talk about it in our another video too. But basically these are the products that we received from our cooperative brand Arteza. We're happy to review them since we have found they're in good quality. Because we only want to recommend good and practical products to use for you, rather than prodding them irresponsible without trying them ourselves. Now let's start to squish the acrylic paints into the color palette box and work on a small project first. You'll also soon be able to see us using this in our next video for a bigger project too. Okay, let's squish them. You can now get all the things on Arteza with extra 10% off using our coupon code. Link and coupon code are in our description box. If you're interested, please do check it out. So we've done with squishing them and we're gonna start to test on a small project. Let's start! We also hope you enjoyed today's music, which is sung by us. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. It's fine to criticize. If many of you don't like, we'll not do that in our future videos. color seems pretty vibrant. So we do think it deserves you to give it a try. Link is in our description box, and don't forget the extra 10% off coupon code. Thank you so much for watching, and wish to see you in next video.